Okay, here it is, our Amazon Astro. It's his birthday.
It is.
So this came about an hour and a half ago.
Right.
So we're going to do an unboxing and hook it up. So I don't know how long this video is going to be, but
here we go.
Here we go.
We're very excited. Yay.
So first, step one, tear off this tab. Okay. Tear that off. Number two.
Take off that tab. Step three.
Step three, lift this off.
Oh my gosh. Astro.
Well, here he is. So you get a little starter kit.
Okay.
Just this.
I think that's just packing material.
Yep, just packing material. And here he is.
So it looks like it was packed very securely.
It was packed very securely. Now I do see, I don't know if you can see this on the video, that the crate, it was broken. It's dented in. So I don't know if it maybe was dropped. The box doesn't look too awful damaged.
Maybe, hopefully when they were just putting it in the box, they kind of like pushed them in.
Yeah.
Let's see. Hey, Astro.
So. Okay. And then in here,
let's roll.
it says this. Yep, it says, let's roll.
Let's roll, Astro.
So you get a welcome kit. You're the paperwork person.
Look, he's got a couple little eyes.
Here is his charging station.
And there was something with it where we put the charging station, it has to have so much feet around
3 feet, I think 3 feet in front and a foot on each side so that it can turn around. Here's a thing to try with Astro. Just a startup guide. And what everybody loves, the drink holder. We don't need that. And a power cord.
A lot of bottles of water and cans of soda coming.
So we are going to go find where we're going to put this, and we'll get set on the charger and we'll be back.
All right. Go.
Okay, so here's the Astro welcome kit. We'll see what is in there. You get some Ring doorbell. This comes with a 6-month trial of the Ring security. Here is a template, I guess, to tell where you want to put it. A foot to the right, a foot to the left. It says at least 5 feet of clear space in front, which we have that. We got some Astro stickers. And our welcome guide.
So we have moved Louie's bed and put the charger right
back here.
Right back there.
There is a handle right here, and it's It's balanced pretty good. It probably weighs 12, 14 pounds,
Okay.
I would say. It's pretty heavy. So it's plugged in, so we're going to back it in and it should start. It should boot up. Now I have read, there's a little Amazon smile, I've read that it takes a while because there's a lot of updating it has to do. So we'll have to hook it into our Wi-Fi and hook it into our Amazon account. So that'll take a little bit. And I have no idea how long this takes. Okay, so it's trying to get on the charger, get Astro online. There's a little periscope antenna or camera. It'll run a few diagnostics. It has on off and where you can turn the camera and the microphones off.
Okay.
All right, so we got this set up. So this is going to be, we're going to do the meeting Astro. Okay, a brief video.
Keep home closer with Astro. Here to help, whether you're home or away. Let's take a look at some of the things you can do with Astro after it gets to know you and your home. When you're away, Astro helps you stay in the know. You can use the Astro app to see a live view of each room and check in with those at home. You can also get alerts if Astro detects certain types of activity. When you're home, Astro helps you from room to room. It can bring calls and timers directly to you. Take a snack to the bedroom, or follow you with your favorite entertainment. As you listen to things like music, the screen will automatically turn to face you. Astro comes with Alexa, so when you ask it for the weather or the news, Alexa will respond. Astro can also move on its own to make sure it's always ready to help. Every now and then, it will even hang out near you, just in case you need it. And you don't have to think about the battery, because Astro recharges itself. Let's get started by welcoming Astro to your home and trying out some things together.
Okay, select welcome home and take a few steps back. All right, so we're gonna go.
Hi, Astro.
Okay. I swore I wasn't gonna do this. Astro dance. Wow. Okay.
You got the moves, Astro.
That's helpful, I guess. Astro, play 90s music. Astro.
Rocking out with the band. She's in my head.
I hadn't heard that one in years. Astro, flip a coin. What do you want, heads or tails?
Heads.
Tails.
Aw.
Okay, I guess that's handy. Okay, now we're going to do the getting to know you. Okay, now Astro is going to voice ID enables Alexa to learn your voice, call you by name, and provide enhanced personalization. Okay?
Say, Astro, start patrolling the home.
Astro, start patrolling the home.
Say, Astro, what are you doing right now?
Astro, what are you doing right now?
Okay, so what are we doing right now with Astro?
It's going to recognize my face.
Okay, here we go.
Okay?
First, look directly at the screen.
I'm trying.
Now, tilt your head up. Look to your right. Next, tilt your head down. Move back and you're out of frame. Center your... Look to your left.
Okay, valid ID created.
All right.
If there are more people for Astro to meet, select...
Okay,
Okay.
you're up.
All right, continue. Okay, so we have set up profiles for Greg and Jenny, and we tried to do a profile for Louie, but we were unable to do that. So anyways,
I don't think it recognized pets.
right. All right.
So, okay. So
Okay.
we're going to do learning about your home.
The app lets you control Astro with your mobile device and see what's happening at home when you're not there. With Live View, you can look around, capture photos, or check in with those at home using two-way video chat. You can even check on specific places. For example, if you think you've left the oven on, you can send Astro to it and adjust the camera height to get a better look. Astro can proactively help you monitor your home. You can even choose events to be notified about when you're away. Like if Astro sees an unknown person or detects sounds like smoke alarms or glass breaking using Alexa Guard. You can also see what Astro's doing at a glance or view a map of your home that shows you where it is and lets you send it somewhere else with a tap. Now, it's time to download the app and pair your mobile device with Astro. Then, you'll spend about 30 minutes helping Astro learn about your home. It will practice using the charger, explore your home to create the map, and ask you for a tour so it can learn your room names.
Okay, so need to install the Astro app, so we'll be right back.
Okay, we got him all tucked away. We decided to move him out into the living room. So it was better for the home monitoring. Here he's right there by the back door. He has a clear view of the front door and the side door. So we are trying that, but we're gonna wait a couple days and do another video and let you know what we do like, what we don't like. So far, it's kind of mixed. It's kind of an Alexa on wheels, but the novelty of it is pretty neat. So we're just going to experiment. you know, and see what it can do. Astro, act like a whale. Astro, act like a whale. Novelty. Has had a little bit of problem recognizing my wife's voice, but I think it's getting better at it. So we will we'll do another video and let you know what we think about it. But so far, it's kind of fun. But all right, thanks for watching. We'll talk to you next time.